December 15th was a crazy day. And it's actually about 9 a.m. on the 16th because I fell asleep on the couch last night with my clothes on at about 7:30. That's why I didn't film a video diary last night. And it was a crazy day, so let me share a little bit. There was a snowstorm Sunday, so my classes Monday morning were canceled, so I didn't have to go in to take my final, so I stayed up until about 4 or 5 in the morning. I was watching stuff on to the TV and cleaning, and I was just on my phone. And so eventually worked for 2 hours, and I was also continuing to get through the big bulk of technical difficulties that have been taking over my life for the past 2 weeks. But I think I finally got to figure out the bottom of it, and hopefully it should be smooth sailing from here. But overall, it was an emotionally draining day. There was a lot. I had signed up for an online neuroscience live masterclass at 8 p.m. last night, but obviously didn't end up getting around to that because I fell asleep on the couch at 7:30, and I hardly ever fall asleep early like that and just sleep. So when I do, I know that my body just needs it, so I don't fight it. I think in the past I would have seen falling asleep on the couch as a sign of laziness, but it's really not. Overall, yesterday, it was just, I was very emotionally overwhelmed, but I think part of that was maybe I was just sleep deprived. So today I slept all throughout the night, so today I think is gonna be better. And I keep saying there's a lot of moving parts and a lot that I want to do, and I know that there's a lot that I'm gonna do, but I can't do what I want to do until I stop putting off what's gonna get me there, if that makes sense. Like I have to take care of the necessities first. I have to take care of myself. I have to take care of my space. I have to make sure things are okay and well before I do things that I just want to do for fun, in a general sense. And it's hard to not beat myself up for not having it all together yet. And in the beginning of 2025, I wrote down 12 goals for myself because the sheet that I had 12 lines, and I'm like, great, 12 lines, 12 goals, 12 months. And I achieved 2 of those things. And a lot of it wasn't necessarily my fault, and those things are rolling over onto next year. And I'm really happy about the things that I did achieve. I went back to school and I made it to 1 year sober. Right now, I'm kind of in a mood where I just want to get things done and accomplish things. But I have to work on accomplishing the basics before I can go on to other things. I have to keep my space not looking like a bomb exploded, and in turn that'll help my mind not feel like a bomb just exploded. So that's gonna be it for this quick little video diary. I just wanted to hop on for the sense of not having a missed diary and give a recap to my future self as to why I didn't film yesterday and why that's okay.